Dracaena is one of the most common plants indoors due to its beauty. The optimal time for propagation of the plant is spring. The cut must be transverse and even. To reduce the evaporation surface, the leaves are partially removed, and some of the leaves are shortened. For 1 hour, the cuttings are dried in the air, while they should not be exposed to direct sunlight. Cuttings are planted into vermiculite, deepening the place of the cut by 2 to 4 cm. Then, we provide the recommended care conditions for the plants. Illumination, diffused sunlight from 60 to 80%. Temperature is from 22 to 27 degrees Celsius. The frequency of watering with a slight drying of vermiculite between irrigations. The period of root formation is up to 3 weeks. 2 weeks later, the mother plant developed dormant buds, and the cuttings began to develop roots. 3 weeks after propagation, the roots had fully developed. After that, young plants are transplanted into the soil mixture. On the mother plant, we remove some of the new buds, leaving the most developed ones, but no more than 5 pieces. This is to ensure that in the future they do not interfere with each other, and also the mother plant is transplanted into a larger pot. So, if you like this video, hit the like button below, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press on the bell of notifications to not miss our new videos. I wish you good luck and see you in the next episode.